Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for taking the time to join my presentation today. My name is Anissa Rahma, and I am here to talk about Navy names. Okay. Background and introduction. Definition: Neofeminism is a wave of feminist thought that emphasizes inclusivity, diversity, and focus on the unique experience of individuals. This movement addresses various issues including race, class, sexual orientation, gender identity, and the role of technology and social media. This feminism is not just about women. It also addresses the human experience as a whole, considering the multiple layers of individuals' identity. Background, origins. Neofeminism emerged from the fourth wave of feminism, which began in the late 2000s and continues today. This wave aims to tackle more complex and modern challenges. Impact of technology. Social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok have become vital tools from raising awareness and driving global campaigns such as the #MeToo movement. Globalization in an increasingly interconnected world. Neofeminism advocates for not only local issues but also global concerns such as human trafficking and educational inequality. Characteristic of Neofeminism. Intersectionality. Neofeminism integrates various social issues such as race, gender, class, and sexual orientation. It acknowledges that individuals face multiple overlapping layers of oppression or privilege depending on their unique identities. Example: advocating for equal pay not just for women but considering disparities among women of different racial or economic background. Digital activism. Social media is a powerful tool for amplifying voice and mobilizing change. Sharp campaigns like #MeToo and #TimeUp demonstrate how digital platforms can spark global movements for justice and equality. Example: survivors of sexual harassment using Twitter to share their story and demand accountability. Inclusivity. Neo-feminism champions the right of everyone, regardless of their background, identity, or experiences, and move beyond binary gender definition to support marginalized groups, including the LGBTQIA+ community. Example, at voting for police that protect non-binary and transgender individual workplace. Characterism of neo-feminism. 1. Challenge of intersectionality. While intersectionality is a key concept in neo-feminism, its practical application can be complex and uneven. Some critics argue that addressing all layers of cooperation simultaneously is often difficult, leading to certain issues being overlooked. 2. Reliance on digital activism. The heavy focus on digital platform has raised concern about its effectiveness in addressing systemic problems. Critics point out the online activism often lack direct engagement with marginalized communities and might fail to drive subtitle policy change. Different from previous waves on feminism. 1. First wave feminism focus politics right, particularly women's suffrage, called securing legal equality such as the right to vote and own property. Example, the women's suffrage movement in the late 19th and early 20th countries. 2. Second wave feminism focus workplace equality and family dynamic, called challenging traditional gender roles, advocating for reproductive rights, and addressing systematic discrimination. Example, the fight for equal pay and the legislation of birth control. Issue advocated by neo-feminism. 1. Gender-based violence. Neo-feminism address various forms of violence, including domestic abuse and online harassment. Example, campaigns against rape, porn, and cyberbullying. Representation of women in media and politics, and advocates for fair and accurate portrayals of women in media and better participation in leadership role. Example: campaigns promoting female candidates in election and criticizing stereotypical depiction of women in film. Conclusion: New feminism is a highly relevant movement in the modern era and direction. The complexities of contemporary issues such as intersectionality, digital action, and inclusivity to create a more equitable world. It requires international support where individuals from all backgrounds and age groups collaborate to challenge inequality and promote fairness from everyone. New feminism is not just a movement, it's call to action for a better and more inclusive future.
Women should not exercise judgment in political affairs.
If we allow women to vote, it will mean the loss of social structure.
Vote for women! Vote for women! Vote for women!
You work at the laundry?
Part-time from when I was 7, full-time from when I was 12.
We meet Mondays and Thursdays if you're interested.
You a suffragette, Mrs. Ellen?
I consider myself more of a soldier. As Mrs. Pankhurst says, it's deeds, not words, that will get us the vote.
We've identified weaknesses in their ranks. We're hoping one of them will break.
They're saying she's to speak.
This is a deliberate escalation. This has to stop.
For 50 years, we have laboured peacefully to secure the vote for women. We've been ridiculed, battered, and ignored.
Punish those responsible, whatever way you can.
Mama!
I've done what men told me. Well, I can't have that anymore.
Took my love, took it down.
I incite the women in Britain to rebellion.
Can I say ocean tides? Can I end my life?
We break windows. We burn things, because war's the only language men listen to.
Well, I've been afraid of changing.
There's nothing left but to stop you.
Built my
We're in every home, we're half the human race, you can't stop us all.
time makes you bolder, even
You might lose your life before this is over.
I'm getting older too.
We will win.
Surrender.
Never give up the fight.
In the snow.